I'm going to show you whether this Britannia Bow trash bin is worth the investment. So this trash bin has some key sustainability features, including the manufacturing processes that reduce the risk of negative environmental impact. It is also made with safer chemicals, which should be healthier for the human health and the environment. It comes with two complementary bags. One is the 20 liters, as you see here, for the main trash bin, and the other one is the 12 liters for the recycling side of the trash bin. I'm going to show you that here. So this is the recycling side, and we use this for some cans or bottles, but you can also use that for recycling paper and whatnot. Now, the main feature that you see here is the 20 liters. It's a soft touch and it comes with the legs, which makes it easier to clean. I found that I can sweep underneath the trash bin easier. It's soft touch and see it holds the 20 liters on one side and the 12 liters on the other side. I really like the white. It also comes in different colors too. There's a black one, there's a red one, there's a darker blue, which I personally love, but the white fits really well in my kitchen. I really like how it sits really flush to my wall and it's made out of plastic, so it's super easy to clean. Overall, I would give this product a 5 out of 5 stars.